Okay, let's sew our Velcro on now. You want to sew as close to the edge as possible. So you're not even 1/4 of an inch, more like 1/8 of an inch. And make sure that the bobbin thread that you have in there is going to coordinate or be hidden by the fabric that you're sewing on. You don't want to have anything dark that's going to show. You want to sew it nice and close to the edge. And we'll just continue down and sew both pieces. When you get to the corner, you should put the needle in to pivot. And continue. You don't want to use the sticky Velcro for this job because it gums up the needle as you're sewing, and it makes it really difficult to work with. And it's not really, the sticky stuff is not strong enough to hold for this purpose. So we don't want to use the sticky Velcro. Let me just find the scissors. We'll trim these threads and we'll do the centers here. Just a little back and forth and back and forth. You want to continue that with all 4 corners and all your Velcro.